The Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this. Let's read it, Naomi.
Safety alarm, vibration sensor.
Okay, and let's open it. It's pretty.
Is there 5 colors? No, only one.
There's 5 different colors, but I choose the aqua color.
The teal.
Yeah.
And so this is how it looks. Can I see?
Oh, nice. Wait. What's that name? Oh, it's like safety thing. Okay, let's see here. Let me see the time. So this is very light.
What did you do with it?
Look at this.
You sounded so use
it comes with a there's a charger inside. Now we get it.
And
it comes with
here's
this.
the charger.
This is nice. It's
the chargeable. It comes with black, white, blue, aqua teal, and pink and white.
Okay. And it's rechargeable with a Type C charger. So you don't have to buy batteries. Just wait, Naomi. It's very loud. Just wait. We're going to test it in a little bit. Let me just put this together. Open this lock and this keychain thing. And maybe when you're 13.
13. Okay, that's fine.
You want one?
I want the pink. The pink's my favorite.
Okay, so there's the alarm latch, LED light, Type C port, LED button. And this is the instructions. You can see, pull the latch to sound the alarm. The LED will start flashing at the same time. Restore the latch and the alarm will stop. The second one is the 2 vibration alarm mode. Press and hold the LED button for 3 seconds to turn the vibration sensing mode and activation starts after 10 seconds. These instructions are also on the Amazon video on their product, so I'll link that in the description. The alarm will be triggered when the alarm vibrates or sways. Press the LED light button to stop the alarm. And there's a Spanish version, so let's try it out. That is really loud. That's a good thing. And then there's the other.
Thank you, Mommy. I could have my own when I'm 13.
You're only 7, so that's like 5 years from now. So this is the second activation method. I'm going to show it to you. So as you can see, there's a light drawing there like a sunlight. So press that for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That means you've activated 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go, and just press it. There you go.
So there's 2 alarms?
There's 2 methods to turn on the alarm. So
I'd open it like
super
this.
Loud. Yeah, so it's good to have when you're walking by yourself.
When you're walking by yourself, there's a bad guy, and they're like,
it's a bad guy. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.